So let's see some pictures here. Milkman adding water in a milk. Okay. So many times this water is not a good quality, means it is contaminated with microbes also. So as the milkman adding water in a milk to increase their quantity. Yes, by adding the water they increase their quantity. See here in bakery products, to make a more attractive things or cakes or pastries, they are adding food colors. But as when we are adding food color, there have some limitations by adding their quantity. But as to make the more attractive, to attract the customers, so they are adding the large amount of food color, which is very harmful to our health only. Again, by adding the food color they increase their quantity. Yes. Again, in spices or grains also, they are adding the similar, it looking like a same, their color, texture, they are adding some other substance in that things. Now in grains also they are adding sometimes stone also. In rice white color stone is there, in wheat that brownish color stones are there. So they, by adding these things, by adding these unwanted things, they increase their quantity, but they do not think about their quality. So in science there have one word, as they only increase their quantity, they are not thinking about the quality, that is called the adulteration. So let's see what is meant by adulteration. That is called the food adulteration. So adulteration means what? An addition of another substance which is unfit for human consumptions, which is unfit for human consumption, which may result in loss of actual quality of the food items. Means because of this adulteration which is harmful for human health, and there is a low quality for that food substance, that is called the adulteration. So the health of all people, young and old, poor or rich, is endangered by food adulteration. Because of food adulteration, all people's health are now comes in a danger. Then different types of adulterants affects our health in different ways also. Some adulterants cause abdominal discomfort or poisoning. Then while some may affect the functioning of some organs also, if consumed over a long period of time, or even cause a cancer also. So this food adulteration is very danger for a health. So we have to be alert. Yes, we have to be alert to find out, is it they are adding some other food substances in that food items or not, means is it their food adulterants are there or not, so that we have to check it. Now all the country has their own special organization to check the quality of the food items. Now in India we have FSSAI is the organization which check the quality of the food item. It is good for customer or not, it check it. So we, when we are purchasing any packaged food material, we have to check, is it that mark is there or not, is it checked by that organization or not, that we have to check it. So in the picture, see on that packet have that marks FSSAI. So that we have to check, is it that food packets, is it checked by that organization or not. That is our duty to check the packet properly. So while you are going for a purchasing vegetables or food items, it's our duty to check, is it that food material adulterated or not. So in milk we have seen they are adding the water, sometimes they are adding the urea powder also. Then in red chili powder they are adding the brick dust powder. Then in that ice creams, they are adding the paper pulp also. Again, sometimes they are adding the washing sodas also. So by adding these unwanted things, they make the food item with a high quantity. They are not saying about their quality, but just they are thinking about their quantity. But this adulterated food is harmful to our health. So here is one table to find out if food has been adulterated or not. So here they given the example of milk, red chili powder, turmeric powder, rava also. So here they gave the test. So by using that test we can find out is it that food material is adulterated or not. So these all are about the adulteration of food. That is all are about the today's parts. So here we conclude the lesson number 5, that is food safety. So in this lesson we have seen about the spoilage of food, then storage, food storage also, then wastage of food. So these things we have seen in this lesson. Again, food adulteration also. Then there are so many different methods are there for protection of food. So it's our duty to we have to take a safe food for our health. I think everyone have understood this lesson. Everyone read out the lesson properly and write down the new words in your CW 5 times and complete the lesson number 5 from your notes. Yes, whatever maybe the exercise questions are there in a notes. So complete these all exercise question in your CW, means totally 5 lessons you have to complete in your CW properly, systematically, in good handwriting. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.